أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم الحمد لله رب العالمين الرحمن الرحيم مالك يوم الدين إياك نعبد وإياك نستعين اهدنا الصراط المستقيم صراط الذين أنعمت عليهم غير المغضوب عليهم ولا الضالين بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم قل هو الله أحد الله الصمد لم يلد ولم يولد ولم يكن له كفوا أحد صدق الله العظيم. Translation. In the name of Allah, the most beneficent and the most merciful. Praise belongs to Allah, the Lord of all the worlds, the all-merciful and the very merciful, the master of the day of requital. You alone do we worship, and from you alone do we seek help. Take us on the right path, the path of those on whom you have bestowed your grace, not of those who have incurred your wrath, nor of those who have gone astray. Say the truth is that Allah is one, Allah is besought of all, needing none. He neither begot anyone, nor was he begotten, and equal to him has never been anyone. Thank you.